In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a deposit in QuickBooks. If you've ever spotted a duplicate deposit or a bank feed item that shouldn't be added to your books, the cleanest way to deal with it is to exclude it from your bank transactions. Excluding simply tells QuickBooks to ignore that specific bank feed entry so it doesn't get added to your register or throw off your reconciliation. It doesn't change anything at your bank, and it doesn't delete any deposit you may have already recorded manually. So it's a safe, bookkeeping-friendly fix. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to your banking area. Using the left-hand menu, select All Apps. From there, choose Accounting, and then open Bank Transactions. This brings you to the list of bank feed items pulled in from your connected financial institutions. You'll see deposits and other transactions waiting for review. Scan the list to find the deposit you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the date, amount, and any available description or memo. It's always worth verifying details before you exclude anything, especially if you have multiple similar deposits around the same date. Once you've located the correct deposit, look to the far right side of that row. You'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the action menu, then choose Exclude. That's it. QuickBooks immediately removes that deposit from your review queue, so it won't be added to your books. A few quick clarifications to keep your records accurate. First, excluding a bank feed item doesn't remove money from your actual bank account. It only affects what's brought into QuickBooks from the feed. Second, if you already recorded a deposit in QuickBooks through another workflow, excluding the downloaded version helps you avoid creating a duplicate. And third, excluded items don't flow into your reports or reconciliation, which keeps your balances and statements aligned. If you don't see the drop-down arrow at first glance, try widening your browser window or looking for a small caret or three-dot icon in the Actions column. The control may look slightly different depending on your screen size, but the option you're after is still Exclude. And that's the whole process. Navigate to bank transactions, identify the deposit you don't want, open the drop-down on the right, and choose Exclude. With this simple action, you'll keep your bank feed tidy, prevent duplicates, and maintain clean, trustworthy books. Thanks for watching, and keep your workflow consistent by reviewing bank feed items carefully before you add them to your records.